We spend entirely too much time believing we can't do something. We shouldn't do something. We shouldn't want something. We shouldn't desire something. We shouldn't try something. We're going to fail at something. And I know that through the work that we can do together in the month of January, if we can shift your mind into one new belief, even one, we can change the trajectory of your entire year. Hi, I know you're slammed this week. It's Christmas time. And so this is a super short, fast podcast. I want to let you know, though, that I want to work with you in January. If you have been a podcast listener and you've never opted in, this is the time for us to work together. I'm going to run a 5-week experience that I'm calling Believe. 1 month to believe, 1 year to achieve. I cannot tell you how many times in my experience I have been witness to my clients having one new thought that they never thought before, one thing they never believed before. I was just with a client. I did a VIP day at Disneyland, which was about one of my most favorite things I've ever done. And we were talking about how she's doing a lot of external events. She's going on a lot of programs, a lot of TV programs to publicize her work and her book and all the things that she's been doing. And she was saying that she's really enjoying it, but that she was feeling kind of weird about enjoying it. Like maybe she shouldn't enjoy it, right? And so she's been feeling apprehensive about this coming year and doing more publicity because this desire to be kind of out in front almost was making her feel like she was being selfish or too focused on herself or something. And so I said to her, I said, well, if part of your mission is to make sure people know about it, isn't it a good thing that you like doing that? Because then you'll do more of it. Isn't it great that you love to do publicity things? Because then you'll do it more and then more people will know about it and then more people's lives will change. And she sat there and she looked at me and she was like, oh, you're right. I should love it. That's great that I love it. Because if I love it, no, I'm going to do it. And then more people are going to know about it. I'm like, right? One thought. And so in January, we are going to do that. One belief, one way to think about things differently. We spend entirely too much time believing we can't do something. We shouldn't do something. We shouldn't want something. We shouldn't desire something. We shouldn't try something. We're going to fail at something. And I know that through the work that we can do together in the month of January, if we can shift your mind into one new belief, even one, we can change the trajectory of your entire year. Because what I know you can't do is plan the entire year. Stop trying. These strategic plans, stop paying money for all these freaking strategic planning sessions. They're making me crazy. You set some goals, have some ambition, think about what you want to create, get that, but tether to it with belief and feeling. That is going to be the most compelling thing you have that will deliver it. Not the plan. The plan is going to go out the window 4 days from now. You know why? Because life has a way of doing that. But the intention, the commitment, the vision, that will stay with you. So I'm going to give you these mini lessons throughout the month of January, and then we're going to meet and have live coaching calls with other women like you. And it's going to be super powerful because it's all focused on you and how simple it can be to change your mind. And I can assure you this, you will not create that very thing that you have wanted to create, achieve with the same mind you keep bringing to it. If you want new results, then you have to be willing to change the way you think. That's it. And if you don't know how to do that, or you want some support doing that, then absolutely join Believe. Go to thevisionary.ceo/believe. And if you register before December 31st, we're giving you a little early registration incentive. I think you should do it. Let's go. What do you have to lose? It's really inexpensive and it might just change your life. I'll see you there.